Knocks it down. Middle three. Alumni takes it out to chip line crosses over. Pagliari onto the run. Ball playing right between the night.
That's gonna be a foul. Medyo masakit yung pagkakatama ni Kevin Campau sa mukha. This is Cash Prince versus RPBY. Here we go. Basket is good by Lupe. Pajarito to Poy Aktub. Pajarito, 3 points by number 9. Ang kanilang import ng Cash Prince. 2-point attempt there by RPBY. Gets the ball back to Cash Prince or Cash Prince.
Benjamin Ondo now. Benjamin Ondo. Losing gas. Balik ke Alugay, out of bounds. Ball to 5, now by Cash Prince. Chipoy, back footer, out of the area. Good for Fadali. I'll take the boy, between the legs. Setting it up, kicks it out to Christian Pajarito, middle three, long on 3. Good team to sa ating unang grupo. Kevin Campau para si Christian Pajarito. Papasok naman sa bila siguro Pinarial. Correction. That's how it is. Galit sa ring. Wala sa corner. Rebound by KQ. Here comes KQ on the next level. Matawagan ang yun. Ligtas sa kanyang unang free throws at pangalawa rin. At nakuha niya SKQ Dennis first 2 points on the ball game para sa JJ Pino. R. Casaderos. Behind the back, balikan sa ating ball game. Publis ni Sky Black na Casaderos. Roca. SKQ. No good sa kanyang press. Roca again. And that's the hole. JJ Pino. KQ. It's a foul on Bolo. Bolo Smith si KQ on that last play. Tristan Kenny spinning, ball fake, spinning ulit sa kabilang naman Bolo. Crosses over, stepping back for 3. Rebounding in by Payman at may isang foul. Rebound by Maestre to Casaderos. Slightly blocked para kay Kuya Jason. JJ Pino, 14-footer, wala. What a shot by Kenny. Asar Casaderos, stop to Alugay. Uligot the bola, Kenny to Aaron. With the floater. Costa Phoenix. Nagla sa 30. Ang ating ball game, Mamboy Raimundo for 3. Ivan Estacio. Art Casadelos for 3. Thank you. Process over ball fake. Up and no good. Alunay sa kabila. Guarded by Kingville. Up and under. 3-point lead. Great swing is to 10. Kelvin 11. Grabe, pasti balon. Mark Lopez, 4-3. Kakain na lang. Kakain lang. Mapapalo ni ba mga napakagandang laro? Hindi lang ito. As King drops the Adwin. Adwin out. On his first point. Chimboy, back to Aaron. Wall fake, floaters on the middle. Rebound out again. Wala pa rin. Ito yung inaalam yung kamay ni dito. Yan yung inaantay ng mga tao dito eh. Aster Acosta, and Salon Montre. Aston, left-hand Peter, Knights. Also bring the hand for three. Advancing out to the front of the grip. Oh, wala na talagang makukuhan. Sabi sa likod ko, wala na makukuhan para yung. At sa kabila naman. Using the screen. And my ass, Chimboy with a tall footer. Ang pinyan. Chimboy Estrada using the glass. Captain for 3. No good. Walay to Greg. Stop and pop 3. Sininer na po ngayon. Chimboy drops it. Chimboy crosses over, step back 3, no good. Kuha ni Kingville on the other side, up and pass the big. Sa ilalim. Jimar. Sino na to? Si Kenny. Grabe yung galawan na. Joseph Pindelidad sa gilid. Estrada kawaray-waray. Sampu na ang kalamahan. Alunay takes it out to Chimboy crosses over. Kumalag lang. Ito sanang finish nun. As ganun na now. Christian Pahaligo. Mark. Using the glass. Bounces back, now the guy, Peña Redondo for 3, no good. Big slows it down. Middle 3, bang! 4-point lead down. Ang kalamangan ng RPBY. Rebound by Waray-Waray to Chimboy with a 10-footer drop to Waray-Waray and a block by Mo. Rebound again by Chimar. Drop to Kenny. And the problem. Ginawa ni Big Mac nun. Wala rin nangyari. Good sa bahay na. Dinarin. Dinarin yung mas politik sa kabila. score, ha? Official score, 64-65. Lamang pa rin ang RPP 1. As Joseph Peñarinondo, 64-67. 64-67, yan ang official score natin. Dito lagi enjoy na si Paring Morris sa panonood. As Mark Higgins with a floater on the other side, baba sa isa. Okay lang yan, sa gagaling ko naman ang naglalaro eh. Mawawala ka nila sa bonus. As Big Mac Sevilla. Spinning. Within 2 minutes and 48 seconds. Mark Davis, what a foul, basket counts. Rebound by Big Mac, Brenda Kapsagan for 3. Balik sa tatlo. Eksakto, 2 minuto para sa ikatlong minuto. Cristian Paulino. And Jamel Andayan for 3. 73-77. Patuloy po suportahan ang Metro. 43 seconds na lang. Tabla. 7-7-7. Ang score natin is Mark Magliani. On to the run. Ball play. Party with Jamel Andayan. Rebound ni Tristan. Technical na. Technical si Big Boy. Ang apat na technical yan. Ang losing coating. Ayan, si Boya. Palakpakan nila si Boya. Para kay Prince Maya. Ayan na. 80-79. As thank you. Sa gitna, Mahalito. Drop. Nakakuha ni Sevilla. 15 seconds. As trip na post na ngayon ang may tangan ng bola. R.R. Casajeros. Ball play. R.R. Casajeros. Jamel Andayan. Nagtatapos sa ating parang yun lang natin, parang Pinyag versus Pinyag. That's Mark Magliani. 10-footer. At seryoso na. 82-81. As R.R. Casajeros for 3. Thank you. Ito na yung Started by Kenny, dropped to Christian Mojarito, lumabas sa tira. Here comes Kenny, now si RR Casajeros. Rick, stop and pop. Too strong, rebound by Alukia. There's somebody on the other side. For three, no good. Kelly, number 31. That's Christian Palino. That's a big game, Christian. Hindi na tumalun, no? Sa ating fourth quarter, nalalagay ay saktong 7 minuto.
No good on the attempt there. Now going down. Oh! That's gonna be a foul.
After the shot by Algain, hit on the face.
Hits Kevin Cambao in the face. Although hindi sadya, medyo masakit yung pagkakatama ni Kevin Cambao sa mukha. No good on first throw by Kevin. Basket is good. No good on the attempt there, but gets the ball for no good as well. Popoy Yakub, no good. Jimboy Estrada. Basket is good.
6 minutes. Balik ang talaga sa RBBY. As Jimboy Pagliani, ibabalik sa kanila lamang 1-point lead. 8. A small block again. Thank you. Bang. Jim Mark comes to show bounce pass. At foul, nagagawa na ng foul si Kenny. On his second personal. Well, upon the screener of para kay Boy na tumba. Five blocks on the quartet para kay Mo. Jimboy Estrada, too short. Rebound by Jimboy Defiant. Kuha na block by Mo. Here comes Jimboy. And a good foul para kay Ben Hernando. Kapitan, rebound ni Boy. Tap and shoot. Boy, Pumelo, block by Kenny, rebound by Big Mac. Here comes Kenny again. Kenny sidestepping over by Mo. Ang anim na block kanina ni Mo. Tumang, Big. Posting it up. Pinaparin mo kay Makes it out the ball for 3. Bang! Jimboy sa kabila naman. Missing. Rebound by Mo. Hey,